Hi everyone, it's Phil here. Now welcome to my intermediate interval training session. Now this session is going to bridge the gap between my beginner workout and my advanced workout. So you don't need any equipment at all. I'm going to do 10 exercises, 40 seconds for each exercise with a 20-second break between exercises. So follow along with me right now. Scissor jacks. Arms and legs across your body, back out, change. So keep going as fast as you can, changing each time. Halfway there, 20 seconds to go. Ten seconds to go. 3, 2, 1, and stop. All right, get ready. 3, 2, 1, in and out. Halfway there, 20 seconds to go. Ten seconds to go. 3, 2, 1, and stop. All right, get ready. 3, 2, 1. All right, squat jacks, hands together, touch up the top. Halfway there, 20 seconds to go. Ten seconds to go. 3, 2, 1, and stop. All right, get ready. 3, 2, 1. So long jump and sprint. Big jump and sprint back. Halfway there, 20 seconds to go. Ten seconds to go. 3, 2, 1, and stop. All right, get ready. 3, 2, 1. The lateral Ali shuffles. Halfway there, 20 seconds to go. 10 seconds to go. 3, 2, 1, and stop. All right, get ready. 3, 2, 1, 4 jumping jacks and 4 ollies. Halfway there, 20 seconds to go. 10 seconds to go. 3, 2, 1, and stop. All right, get ready. 3, 2, 1. Okay, next exercise, frog jumps. So arms straight, touch the floor, bounce back up. Really get down low, explode up. Nice little jump. Halfway there, 20 seconds to go. Dig deep here, guys, dig deep. Should get a massive burn by now. Three, 2, 1, and stop. All right, get ready. 3, 2, 1. I need chops. Starting with the arms up in the air. Bring it down to your knee. 5 on one side, 5 on the other side. Fast as you can. Halfway there, 20 seconds to go. 10 seconds to go. 3, 2, 1, and stop. All right, get ready. 3, 2, 1. With a little towel or something in the middle, we're going to do 10 hops. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. So do 10, followed by 10 side steps. 1, 2, 3. And then changing between the two. Halfway there, 20 seconds to go. 10 seconds to go. 3, 2, 1, and stop. All right, get ready. 3, 2, 1. Mountain climbers. So as fast as you can. If that's too hard, we can always just step in. However, if you can, keep that speed up. Halfway there, 20 seconds to go. Ten seconds to go. 3, 2, 1, and stop. So there you have it. That's a quick fire 10-minute interval training workout. Now, if you have more time on your hands, I recommend you turn this into a 20 or 30-minute interval training workout. So to do so, if you want to do a 20-minute workout, go back to the start and repeat this workout one more time. However, if you want a 30-minute workout, go back to the start of this video and do it 2 more times. Now, if you found this workout either too easy for you or too hard for you, I provided a link in the description, which will take you back to my website where you'll find more interval training workouts. So you'll find beginner, intermediate, and advanced workouts. So this will allow you to exercise at a level that is suitable to your current fitness levels. It will also allow you to progress through the difficulty levels as your fitness levels improve. So go and check it out right now. If you like this video and you want more, you know what to do. Hit that notification bell, subscribe, and like, and you're gonna get a whole lot more. However, if you want to take away all of the guesswork and have everything mapped out for you, come to philhartshorn.com, where you'll find my exercise programs, including at-home programs or gym programs, meal plans, including 4-week healthy eating meal plans, recipe books with over 380 healthy eating recipes, and a whole lot more. You'll have everything you need to achieve your health and fitness goals. So thank you for watching and see you next time.